Let's get them pad thai. They won't expect it. What else do we need?
We need this.
What the fuck is that?
It goes on the burger.
I don't know if that's a long enough gap between the meat and the veggies. Hello! We're on location scan today. For all your brides. Why is he so slow? Ah! Come on, slow motion! Where's he going?
Which side are you coming to?
What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing?
What's he doing, bro?
Hold on, hold on. Yo! Wrong side, bro! Yo, wrong side! You gotta go on the other side. Yo, switch it. Oh, he bounced! You're live here at Rick's Good Eats. My name is Rick, and we are in where, guys?
Nowhere. Muskoka.
Muskoka.
What lake is this?
This is Lake Hot Dogs. Now we've got some lovely cheddar cheese sausages going on the left side.
Oh yeah.
Contender veggie hot dogs on the right side. Who's gonna win? I don't know. But stay tuned. Rick's Good Eats. We'll come to you live from where, guys?
Buttfuck nowhere.
Muskoka.
Muskoka. Jimmy's polluting the water. So I'm gonna show the world what you're doing to this lovely lake.
Thanks, JD.
No problem, man.
Really appreciate it. Seriously?
Yeah, on 3. Okay, Rick, you have this?
Rick, you in it?
1, 2, 3. Ah! It didn't work.